Hey, good morning guys. Schwell out here at Big 3, day 3, the last day. And I just wanted to talk about this action target. We've put thousands of rounds on this target this week. I'm personally responsible for at least 500 of those rounds, but we've been abusing this thing a lot. And as you can see, it's still here in one piece. The poppers or the movers are still here. There are no holes, and we've been hitting it with some heavy stuff. All right, guys, now check out action targets. Tell them Schwell sent you.
To the town of our free who rode a stranger one fine day. Hardly spoke to folks around him, didn't have too much to say. No one dared to ask his business, no one dared to make a slip. The stranger there among them had a big iron on his hip.
Yes, sir. Spot on. It gets no better than that.
Huh?
It gets no better than that. If I can hit it, then you're good. You're good. If I can hit it, you're good.